Parts of speech.
There are 8 parts of speech: verb, noun, adjective, adverb, pronoun, interjection, conjunction, preposition.
Noun. Name of a person, place, thing or idea.
Example: book, democracy, Jack, pen, bag, etc. Jack reads a book.
Pronouns. Pronouns replace the name of a person, place, thing or idea in a sentence.
Examples: he, she, that, him, her, we, they, this, etc. She is happy.
Verb. Describe an action.
Examples: see, sing, sit, talk, listen, realize, am, is, are, was, have, etc. She is singing a song. Adverb tells how an action occurred.
Examples: slowly, carefully, quickly, etc. Do it carefully.
Adjective describes a noun or a pronoun.
Examples: blue, tall, sweet, sour, long, short, etc. The sky is blue.
Preposition used before a noun, pronoun or gerund to show place, time, direction in a sentence.
Examples: at, in, on, above, below, to, for, etc. I was born in January. Conjunction. Join words or a group of words on a sentence.
Examples: and, because, but, so, until, since, etc. Elsa is smart and intelligent. Interjection expresses strong emotion and is often followed by an exclamation point.
Examples: wow, excellent, yeah, phew, bravo, etc. Wow, the view is so beautiful. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.